Hi, and welcome to Feature of the Day here at BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that you can now customize your step down? Just select the Customize Stats feature, enter the exact value you want for each step, and now you're fully in control. You can also combine this with Minimize Retracts, which is going to keep your tool down instead of returning to clearance between each one of the steps. Now, you can even extend your toolpath so the tool enters from the outside and it works its way in. And to bring it all together, we have updated our Backplot feature so it operates inside of the CAM software, giving you an instant visual feedback as you program. Thank you and have an amazing day.